Empower your hiring. Elevate your team. Our tool streamlines the recruitment process by helping you find, evaluate, and hire top talent faster. With advanced AI-driven screening, customizable assessments, and seamless interview scheduling, it's designed to simplify hiring, so you can focus on building the best team for your business. Let's take a look at the system we've developed in Salesforce, designed to manage your hiring process smoothly and efficiently.
Click on the New button to create a candidate record, located at the top right of the page. Enter the candidate's first name, last name. Enter the current location of the candidate. Select the status of the candidate from the drop-down list. Select the candidate source from the list. Enter the number of months the candidate is expected to be available for employment. Employee ID, enter the employee ID. Highest qualification and pass-out year. This field is automatically populated when a related qualification record is updated as the highest qualification. Current employer, current designation, total experience fields are automatically populated. Mobile number and email address, enter the mobile number and email address. Enter the current address and permanent address, which includes street, city, state, country, zip code. Select gender and marital status, click Save. Next, to the details, click on the Qualifications tab. Click on the New button. Select the qualification, course and specialization from the drop-down list. Enter the university, institution name. Enter the starting and ending year. Select the course type. Enter the CGPA, percentage. Click the Save button. Create an employer record. Next to the qualifications, click on the Employers tab and click on New. Enter the company name and select the joining year, joining month, and designation. Next, select the salary type and currency and total annual salary. Finally, fill the total years and months of work experience. Click Save. Create a skill record. Next to the Employers, click on the Skills tab. Click on the New button. Select the skills from the drop-down list. If you add more skills, click on Save and New button to add more skills of the candidate. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Create a certification record. Click New. Select the certification from the drop-down list, and make the checkbox as true if it is active. If you want to add more certificate of the candidate, click on Save and New button to add more certificates. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Document and click New. Select the document from the drop-down list, and make the checkbox as true if it is verified. If you want to add more documents, click on Save and New button to add more documents of the candidate. Update the status from New to Information Verified. Create a position record. Click on the New button. Fill the details in position record. Enter the job title. Select the work type, job, posting location, schedule and job type from the drop-down list. Enter the total openings. Select the expiry date. Select the status from the drop-down list. Availability, enter the number of months the position is expected to be available for employment. Mention the experience of years and months which is required for the current job. Select the currency, enter the salary package and salary type from the drop-down list. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Create a position skills record. Next to the details, click on the Position Skills tab and click on the New button. Select the skills from the drop-down list, and make the checkbox as true if the skill is active. If you want to add more skills for that position, click on Save and New button to add more position skills. Click Save. Create a certification record. Next to Skills, click on Certifications tab, click on the New button. Select the certification from the drop-down list, and make the checkbox as true if it is active. If you want to add more certificate of the candidate, click on Save and New button to add more certificates and click the Save button. Create a Role Master record. Next to the certifications, click on the Role Masters tab and click on the New button. Select the employee and role. Specify the order of assessment. Select the assessment phase and type. If you want to add more Role Master for that position, click on Save and New button to add more position skills. After filling all the details, click the Save button. Next, create work item record in the Role Master and click on New button. Enter the corresponding step or phase that requires validation by the Role Master in the step field. Enter the priority and click Save and New, to repeat the same process to create additional work item records. Now, after saving the Role Master record, you can be able to see a path at the bottom of the Highlights panel. Change the status of position from Draft to Published. Next, open a candidate record and click the button Quick Match. Select the position. Click on the Create button. Select Yes from the drop-down menu to proceed with the application. Click Save. Now the job application record has been created. Click on the job application ID to schedule assessment. Click on the Schedule Assessment button. Select the scheduled start and end date/time in the calendar view. Click Schedule. Once the interview is scheduled, you can be able to see the assigned assessment details component in the left of the job application record. Click Start to rate the candidate based on the questions. Enter a score between 0 and 5 and make the completed checkbox as true. Enter the comments and click on Save and Next to move on to the next question. Repeat the same process if you have multiple questions. Then click on Submit. Now the assessment has updated. Click on View button to review the entered assessment information. Now to transfer the assessment to the next user, edit the Transfer Assessment checkbox and make it as true. Now schedule the assessment for Phase 2 interview by clicking the Schedule Assessment button. Repeat the same process to complete the assessments.
If you're enjoying our content and haven't already subscribed, we would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video, so you won't miss a thing. See you in the next video.
Once the assessment is completed, navigate back to the job application record and update the status, whether the candidate is selected or rejected. And click on Candidate ID in Job Application Record to navigate to Candidate. Update the status of the candidate, whether the offer is released or rejected.